Good morning. It is September the 30th. What does that mean? Besides it's the last day of September, it means that top of the morning is completely done. I know you're gonna cry because you're not gonna see me at the top of the morning every morning. No guys, I made it. This was a long 30 days, and what was I trying to accomplish by doing top of the morning, RLMR TV, something different? Before I was just giving you guys videos 5 days a week. Sometimes I did some bonus Saturday, and sometimes even bonus Sunday, Duke Corner reviews. I did a lot of different things, but I wanted to try something even different outside of the box, which was devote 30 straight days of vlogging to you guys, of giving you guys empowerment, hip-hop empowerment, and I did it. Now that might not really seem like anything to you guys, but 30 days of doing something takes some character. And you know, I learned a lot. I learned different ways to edit. I learned different ways to mess with the sound. I learned different styles and cadences of in front of the camera. I shot in different places, used different lightings, used different features on the camera. All this was good for me because it forced me to do this every day for a month. And it's the last day. So I don't have a quote today, so I'm just kind of talking about this whole experience of top of the morning. A lot of times I was out on the porch and it's starting to get colder. And it's a real more cerebral time for me. Like I really get into my thoughts and start thinking about, you know, 2016 and different things, and start assessing what 2015 has meant to me so far, even though we got 90 days. And I told you guys, you got to be focused on this last quarter of 2015. I want y'all to finish strong. But going back to the last 30 days for me, I had a lot of things come up. I had soccer games, had to get my daughter to. You know, of course, my work schedule is, you know, all over the place. You know, going out of town, high school reunions, just all kind of things were happening. But I gave you 30 of these bad boys. 30 top of the morning videos. And I'm proud because I think what I want people to understand is when you do something like this, you gain momentum. You start to set goals and you do them, and then you're like, okay, now what else can I do? But instead, a lot of us, instead of like doing these bite-sized goals, we want to buy a house, or we want to buy a car, or we want to be rich, or whatever. Instead, and that's why I go back to kind of like the 3 C's, like clarify, quantify what you want, and start small. If you want to exercise, I know I always bring up exercising, but say I'm going to walk 20 minutes for 7 straight days, and do it and see how you feel. Experience that fulfillment of, like for me today, the 30th day of doing this is exhilarating to me, but I love doing it actually. You know, it's going to be hard for me to even cut back, but and I'm going to give you some top of the mornings. I'm just going to try some different things, but feel that exhilaration of accomplishing a goal. Like feel what that feels like, whether it's for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a week. You know, do something, and when you do it, it sets you up for success on the next thing. And you might not even complete it, but you are in the process pushing yourself, and you're definitely a lot better than you were if you wasn't setting any goals. So I'm really big on shorter goals. When 2016 hits, you guys should already be in the goal cycle. Like I really like the 90-day thing. I started 2015 out with 90-day goals, and I didn't hit them all, but I think it gives you a check and balance system that doesn't allow you to kind of lax and kind of subconsciously kind of chill a little bit, because you're like, it's just February, or oh, it's just March. I still got, you know, May, June, July, you know, the rest of the year to do it. I think when you do 90 days, or even if you want to do shorter, like I'm not mad at you if you want to do monthly goals, or 4 big quarter goals, like, but just set out and do something. Like, and remember, I really want you to understand this. It doesn't have to be huge. Like, you can have big dreams. I do want you to dream big. I want you to think big. But as you think big, I want you to divide that, chunk it down, and set some small goals. So this is your man, R. Lamar. I gotta go. My battery light's flashing. But this was 30 days. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all got something good out of this, man. I know I did. Because now I'm like, what can I do next? So hopefully you'll do that. R. Lamar TV, baby, with your man. Let me try that again. With your man, R. Lamar, Raymond Lamar Lee, 1 R, 2 L's. Peace and love. I love you, and I will see you in October. Peace.